Okay guys, just going to do a quick unboxing today. I got the new truck in. I got it in the yellow. As you can see, I got it in the yellow. So, I know there's been 1,000 of these online already. And you guys have seen it 100 times over. But I'm going to do a quick unboxing. And then we're going to get it together, and I might throw some scale accessories on it just to get it going. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so it comes in the obligatory white box, instruction manual in the box as well. It's all detailed. Open the box. Holy cow, this thing is pretty big. Okay, I'm going to get it out and then we will look at it in depth. Alright guys, here she is in all of her glory. I took my pound and a half of burritos out. Of course, in the box, you get all the goodies to put on. Your opening doors, very nice seats. Steering wheel is on upside down. I don't think you can see it. Very nice interior. I like the roof rack, hood opening, closing. Headlights are already in, but you guys already know all this. You've seen this over and over and over again. If you've shown any interest in this truck whatsoever, you've seen it 100 times over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a battery in it, and I'm going to put all the stuff on like it needs to, and then we're going to scale it out a little bit, and hopefully our first run will come soon, hopefully very soon. Be right back. Alright guys, got all the accessories on. Had to change the license tags. I am definitely not a California guy. So got the mirrors on, step boards on. Put the front license plate on for now. I'm not sure if that's gonna stay up there or not, but I also want to do something with this. I don't know what yet, but it is what it is. And they give you so much of this. Some of this is going to be used for accessories on the top. So, but just a couple things I got that's going to be going on this. Possibly the winch. I've got some lights. Some Majora silicone rubbers. Of course, I've got some accessories. And accessories out the rear end here. Let's see. More accessories. I've got a couple driver figures. I don't know if they're going to fit or not, but we're going to check on that in just a minute. But, yeah, I mean, it's a nice looking rig. Oh, also, that's going to be going in it, I believe. I may do a 1080 with a Holmes Hobbies motor, but I'm not sure yet. And I'll probably be putting in this 40 kilogram servo. But I don't know. Let me go see if I can find the figures and see if I can get them to fit in there. Be right back. Okay, so he does not fit. It needs to be bigger. So that's a 6-inch figure. So I'm thinking I need an 8 or a 10-inch figure. Yep. What to do, I don't know. But anyway, I've still got some more stickers I got to put on. I had to put on the metal stickers for the badging. And then I will be right back. Alright guys, so ESC is horrible. Steering doesn't seem bad. Very noisy servo though. That's the lowest on the throttle trim I can get it to go. I think I just scared the bejesus out of my poor doggy over there. Decent controller. Be nice if it does what I want it to do, but definitely needs some work for the ASC. Well guys, we have a plethora of things we can put in there. It's all going to be done up with a cargo net. So I think what we'll do is we'll start putting stuff in and go from there. I don't really like the way this mount holds these. I should have got the more expensive one. I mean, it didn't even come out of these screws. This set did. Got mounting screws for the jerry can and the fire extinguisher. So, but either way, I'll be back when everything's all done up. Alright guys, so yes, I know this is all white. This is all stuff from the packing, but I gotta get some colors and some fabric and stuff. But good lord, this thing's heavy. Got a few things put in, put on. I think it looks pretty good so far. So I got to get some small drill bits. I want to put jerry can and the fire extinguisher in. And I also have a light bar. I'm not sure if I want to put this on or the winch on. Not made up my mind on that yet. But the next steps is going to be changing out the motor for the Fusion and taking the body off, making sure the steering wheel's flipped the right way around, and I want to put the lights in so that I can get my lights ran. And I also have some white wagon wheels coming for this. I'm probably going to keep the stock tires. These actually feel really, really sticky. I know a lot of people say that they don't, but these actually feel really sticky. Rim, not so sure about that, but the wheels actually feel super sticky. And after I put the inserts in it, I think it'll be alright. So, but either way, that's going to do it for today. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I thank you all very much for watching. You all have a pleasant evening.